This is Melly Michelle, and we're unboxing. Well,
if not falling.
what's it called?
Game Labs.
Game Labs. Okay.
Trying to figure out how to close it.
Woohoo!
G Fuel.
G Fuel.
It's actually a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. Got the
No,
blue ice.
it's what I thought it was gonna be. Cause remember we saw it
Yeah, seriously, I thought it was going to be
a little bit bigger.
a little bit bigger than that.
G Fuel.
Here's yours.
That's mine.
Yep.
Or this mine.
No, that's mine. No, that one's mine. This is yours.
Oh.
Fozzie.
Thank you for your order.
It's kind of clear.
Ooh.
How's that supposed to glow in the dark?
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
And here's mine.
This is mine. It supposedly glows in the dark. See what yours look like.
Blacked out.
Blacked out. Use the
Game
Jedi.
Labs and G Fuel right there.
It's like a stormtrooper.
Thank you for your order. Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put that on the side of my helmet. Here at G Fuel, we realize just how important our customers are. You are the reason we do what we do. Thank you for being a part of Team Gamma. All right.
You wanna get one of these things?
Yeah.
Mm.
Fazberry. That's I believe the new upcoming.
Blue ice. See the blue ice.
That's Fazberry.
You see it? It says blue ice. Yep.
The official energy drink of esports. Oh, nice. Digital Storm.
Cool.
That's what you need right there.
I do.
Instead of a laptop.
Ah. Awesome.
And just my receipt.
Skinny bar. Oh, skinny bar.
$34. No, $38.99. Yay. I already got a gaming PC. I like the sticker. That's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Should I stick it to the side of my computer?
Sure.
Sure. Or should I stick that on the back of your Jeep?
No. Well, yeah, go ahead.
Bam. Okay.
Moment of truth. Oh, they had to seal it. Does it smell like?
It smells like blueberries. To me, at least.
Oh, yes, it does smell like blueberries. Ooh, look at that blue ice.
Blue ice, blueberry.
G Fuel.
Okay.
non-promotional.
I think that's our unboxing.
It's just an unboxing of it. We're not getting paid.
Well, honestly, you only got like, what, 14, 15 subscribers? So, hell no, he ain't getting paid.
Nope.
They getting paid, but I'm not. Well, we are. Okay, time to make some ice.
G Fuel! Well, anyway, that was our unboxing. We're going to make some G Fuel. We got an ice maker that my husband unboxed already. We should
So resume when ice gets made and the water gets cold.
Yes.
So taste test coming up next.
Yes. Well, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, the moment of truth.
Can you see me?
A little bit.
How's that? Better?
Yes. Very bitter. The moment of truth. The taste test of the G Fuel.
It smells like Powerade almost.
Yeah, it is. It smells strong.
Smell it? Mm-hmm. It's not even open.
But I can smell it through it. It's so
There.
strong.
Now try it.
Well, you gotta try it first.
Why me?
You gotta put the camera on me. Let me try it.
Okay. I'm scared. I paid $40
Ready?
for this
Let's
shit.
go. 1, 2, 3.
Tastes like blue ice to me.
Yeah. Flavored water to me.
Ugh. I think I put a little too much into it. Think I did?
How much scoops did you put in?
One.
G Fuel. Like, did you fill the cup? Why you never supposed to fill the cup? They said don't fill the cup.
I did. I filled it up.
It's not bad.
No.
Not bad at all. Don't you go supposed to go by the measurements?
Man, they just said just one scoop.
He says he only do half a cup. The guy.
Oh. Cool.
So next time, only half a cup.
Okay, half a cup.
It tastes like flavored water to me. So, that is our G Fuel. Like, comment, subscribe. We're out of there.